What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at this styling powder from the Mailroom Barber. This is one of the new products that we unboxed a while back during that new release video that we did with this brand. And according to these awesome folks, this powder is designed to add texture and volume to your style. They say it's lightweight and will give any look a matte finish with that nice gritty texture. They also say it can be used in combination with a pre-styling product. And in fact, they say it's best used in that fashion as an in-between product after your pre-styler, but right before your post-styler. Now, the product itself is pretty easy to describe here, nothing out of the ordinary as far as looks go. I do have to say I love the look of their branding, though. I've always admired the way the Mailroom Barber's branding looks. It's really awesome. But inside the 3-ounce bottle here, we can see a standard-looking powder. You can see a lot of what's in there just physically within the powder itself. I mean, you can see the clays, the arrowroot powder. I mean, nothing really crazy is in here. You can pretty much see everything right in front of you as usual with a powder like this, which also means you need to get in there and use it to really see what it has to offer. Here I have freshly washed and blow-dried hair, and this will be our before test shot to see what this powder has by itself to show as far as attributes, and I'm following the directions as stated by the brand, which is to work it in until there are no clumps anywhere, and then begin moving it around, giving the ends of the hair a little bit of a twist to give a high textured look. As you can see, there clearly is an effect going on here. It's very easily changing my hair from what it was before, but I'm thinking this is why the brand suggests that you use this powder with a pre-styler, because it might be a little light to work on its own. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. I'm really curious to see what it does here. So let's reset things, and after using a pre-styler, you can see that I have a nice little foundation built once again. And if you've seen my video on another powder that I just did recently, you will see a difference here. This time, instead of kind of partnering with the pre-styler, we can see that this one simply just enhances and exaggerates the result that was already there. It brings out more volume, more texture, a deeper matte finish, a kind of flavor enhancer for the hairstyle, leaving the door open for that post-styler to then come in and finish things up. This now is the new end result that we got here after using this second method with this powder. Now, from my seat, this is the deal that I see with this powder. It's more of an enhancer than really a standalone product. You can contrast that to the King Brown wax powder that we just looked at here in the previous video, where that one had the ability to kind of lock hands with the pre-styler and become a post-styler of sorts, whereas this one here, it exaggerates the result brought about by the pre-styler, but still leaving room for that post-styler to do its work. I also feel like this one works as kind of a dry shampoo of sorts as well, which is also really good. I mean, you can use this on second or third day hair and make it look new again when this powder is introduced. It's always good to have that kind of feature involved. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with this powder. I think it does exactly what it says it's going to do when you use it in the way that it was designed to be used. When used by itself, obviously it struggled a little bit in my hair, and that would be the criticism that I have for it, is if you're somebody that wants to use it by itself, you might have some trouble with some results. But as you can see, if you do pair it with a pre-styler, I'm pretty confident you're going to have some results if you feel like this might be something you want to try out. That is pretty much it for this one, though. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comment section and I'll do my best to get back with you on that. And while you're at it, keep an eye out for other awesome releases from this brand. There's quite a bit going on with the Mailroom Barber, and I'm going to have a lot more to share with you real soon. That's it though for this episode. Thank you so much for checking this out with me. Make sure you like and comment on this video and subscribe for more if you haven't already. That's a huge help to me and I really appreciate you doing that. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.